Hello, my name's David Lintonbon. I've been an osteopath now for over 35 years. Diagnosing shoulder problems can be quite an issue. So we are looking at diagnostic ultrasound. Patients who present with shoulder pain may have quite a severe tear in the tendon of supraspinatus as it leaves the subacromial space. And as you can see here from the diagnostic ultrasound scan, you can see there is quite a severe tear in the tendon of supraspinatus. This may preclude you from carrying out a manipulation, and in this case it certainly would. So the use of diagnostic ultrasound in pre-joint screening can be very useful prior to carrying out a manipulation, or whether you actually use an alternative technique. So we have teamed up with Mobile Therapy Services and Dr. Charles Stevens of Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, USA, where we'll be running a 3-day diagnostic ultrasound course. This will run between the 8th, 9th and 10th of March 2024, where you will learn the basics of diagnostic ultrasound prior to joint manipulation. We do hope you can make it. Thank you.